Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. In other stories, Econet founder Strive Masiyiwa has urged aspiring entrepreneurs to press ahead even without partners, capital or support, drawing from his experiences of starting a business with just 75 United States dollars. In a Facebook reflection titled "You Must Be Prepared to Go It Alone," Masiyiwa recounted how his early attempts to launch a venture with colleagues collapsed when he suggested they invest salaries and quit their jobs. Only he contributed. His mother's advice, he said, proved decisive. Always be prepared to go it alone. This is not going to work if you do not believe in yourself. Masiyiwa said he proceeded to register the business alone, resigned from his job and sold his car after banks refused him a loan. He stressed that a co-founder, a mentor, government support, or venture capital were desirable but not prerequisite. Focus on what you do have and believe me is enough, he wrote. The billionaire also revealed that during the early years he cut back on social life, often sleeping in his office or car and working for 48 hours without rest. If there's a will, there's a way, Masiyiwa said. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.